Hey guys, today we are unboxing the new Xiaomi Power Bank 5i, which is having 20,000 milliamps hour battery and with a 67-watt fast charging. So this is the box looks like, pretty sturdy. I don't know why they have put Made in India logo. Let's open it. So we have broken the seal and we are just opening the products. There is a user manual in the box. Wrapped inside is our power bank. So this is our power bank. You can see the details. These are the output port details. In the first one which you are seeing, actually it is not zooming properly. Yeah, as you can see, the first port which is a inbuilt cable through which you can charge the battery bank. Otherwise we can directly take it as a use it as a output, which gives us 67-watt output charger. So you can see the other outputs also. There is a type C cable. There is a type C port which is given for output 2, and a USB port which is given for your normal USB cable. Coming to some more specs, it is having 367 milliamps hour batteries, which gives a total capacity of 20,000 milliamps hour. This is the on off switch which is given. Let's make it on for the first time. So as you can see, it is giving an out. It is having a capacity of 55% remaining. Let us connect any type C device. I am having an type C mobile. So we are charging the device. As you can see, it is getting charged successfully, and it is happening through fast lightning fast only, and it is showing battery indication also. Yeah, so this is a brief unboxing and usage of the device. Hope you get the required inputs, and it will help you take the better decision whether to buy it or not. That is sturdy, and we can carry it anywhere. Let me unbox it. Yeah, so the final step is to how to charge and what it will show while charging. So we are giving in output 2, as you can see in the type C cable, and we are having type C charger. After connecting the charger, it is showing like here power button. Okay, We can, if you have this cable only, then also we can, I think we can charge it. Let's try. Let's connect the cable in type C port. This is our type C port. Let's try to connect here, whether it is charging or not. We need to see. No, actually it is not charging. As you can see, it is written only output only. You must have seen it in the video. In this it is written in and out. In this only output. Only we can take the output, and through this we can charge it. Both in and out are written. Let's connect it directly to the charger. Or else we can connect it in the type C port only. We have connected at the type C port. So as you can see, it is showing it is charging.